All right, here we are in Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to show you how to arch this text. Actually, we're going to do the bottom only, and that's called arc, but we don't need to worry about that too much. We're going to go to Effect, and we're going to go to Warp, and we will do arc. And this does, you can see it, the whole thing. But what we're going to do here is you're going to play with arc upper and lower. So upper is, you can see it just did it to the top. And if we bring this down negative, guess what? It does, it does it like that. Positive here, and then we're going to go lower, and then you can go, you bring that down this way. Now we've got the old. This looks like the Thrasher magazine arch, um, but like I said, it's technically they call it an arc, but we're good either way. So you see that? Now you can do a bunch. Like now, this is a traditional, actual arch, right? Boom, boom, where it does the whole thing. There's bulge. So there's a lot of stuff here. Look at this. Yeah, see, it does the top and bottom, which is a pretty cool effect. Nope, a little too much. But yeah, and it goes the other way. So you actually have a lot of options here. So I would just play with these. But the arc uh, upper, and then if you just put it into like a negative and a positive, yeah, you can see that. And then arc lower, same thing. So that one, that's my favorite. But anyways, now you see where you got to go to get these things. And hopefully that helped. If it did, hit like, leave me a comment. Thanks.